Welcome to Marrakesh, where ancient traditions meet modern energy, where every street tells a story, and where life unfolds in a symphony of colors, scents, and sounds. Marrakesh, also known as the Red City due to its terracotta-colored buildings, is a sensory wonderland. Life here thrives in the heart of the old Medina, where souks overflow with handmade crafts, aromatic spices, and intricate textiles. Whether you're a local or a visitor, every turn reveals something new: a hidden riad, an ancient courtyard, or a street performer dazzling the crowds. At the center of it all is Jama el Fna, the beating heart of Marrakesh. As the sun sets, the square comes alive with musicians, acrobats, and sizzling street food. Food in Marrakesh is more than just a meal, it's a cherished ritual. Whether it's a fragrant tagine slow-cooked to perfection, a hearty plate of couscous, or a refreshing glass of mint tea, every dish carries the essence of Moroccan hospitality. Family gatherings and communal dining are at the heart of Marrakesh's culture, where meals are shared with love and laughter. But Marrakesh isn't just about the chaos of the souks. It also offers tranquil escapes. The Majorelle Garden is filled with exotic plants and soothing fountains. It's a reminder that amidst the city's energy, there's always a place to breathe and reflect. One of Marrakesh's most exquisite landmarks is the Bahia Palace, a masterpiece of Moroccan architecture. Built in the 19th century, its name means brilliance, and it truly lives up to its reputation. With its mesmerizing mosaics, serene gardens, and luxurious halls, the palace offers a glimpse into the grandeur of Morocco's royal past. A walk through its tranquil courtyards is like stepping into a living painting, filled with history and elegance. And while tradition is strong, Marrakesh is also a city embracing modernity. Hip cafes, art galleries, and co-working spaces are on the rise, drawing in creatives and entrepreneurs from around the world. The city's unique blend of history and innovation makes it a place where dreams can be pursued. Beyond the city's vibrant streets, adventure awaits in the stunning landscapes surrounding Marrakesh. Just a short drive away, the Atlas Mountains offer breathtaking hikes, picturesque Berber villages, and a chance to witness Morocco's diverse natural beauty. Whether trekking through valleys or enjoying a traditional tea with mountain locales, the spirit of exploration is never far from Marrakesh. Life in Marrakesh is between old and new, chaos and calm, tradition and transformation. It's a city that captivates, inspires, and leaves an imprint on all who wander through its streets. So, whether you're here to explore, create, or simply soak in the magic, Marrakesh welcomes you with open arms. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel for more amazing travel stories and adventures.